Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on your Oppo phone. First, you'll need to download the Epic Games app directly from their official website. This is the only way to get Fortnite on Android devices, as it's not available on the Google Play Store. After downloading, remember to enable installation from unknown sources in your phone's security settings. This crucial step allows your device to install apps from outside the official store. Once the Epic Games app is installed, open it up to start the Fortnite download. The app will guide you through the installation process, which is straightforward. Be aware that Fortnite is a large game, requiring about 8 GB of free storage space on your Oppo phone. Make sure you have enough room before you begin, and a stable internet connection will help speed up this process considerably. To ensure a good experience, your Oppo phone needs to meet specific requirements. It should be running Android 8.0 or a newer version. You'll also need at least 4 GB of RAM for the game to run smoothly. For graphics, an Adreno 530 GPU or a Mali G71 MP20 GPU is generally recommended. Checking these specifications beforehand will prevent any performance issues. To get the best performance while playing Fortnite, consider a few optimization tips. Always close any unnecessary background applications to free up your phone's RAM. Lowering the in-game graphics settings can significantly improve your frame rates, making gameplay much smoother. Finally, always play on a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid frustrating lag and ensure a consistent online experience with your friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.